It was a breezy autumn afternoon when Sarah first met Ethan at the local park. He was sitting on a bench, sketching the children playing on the swings, while she struggled to keep her toddler, Lily, from eating leaves off the ground. Their first conversation was light, filled with laughter about the chaos of parenting, and soon, their daily visits to the park became the highlight of Sarah's day. Ethan was a widowed father to a little boy named Noah, and Sarah, a single mother, found comfort in their shared experiences of loss and resilience. Over time, their casual conversations grew into a deep friendship, and then, into something more. They found solace in each other's presence, a love born out of shared struggles and hope for a brighter future. 2 years later, Sarah and Ethan married in an intimate ceremony under the same oak tree where they had first met. Their blended family became their sanctuary, filled with laughter, late-night storytelling, and endless games of hide-and-seek. Lily and Noah, now inseparable, spent their days playing in the same park where their parents had fallen in love. Ethan had even built a small swing in their backyard, a favorite spot for the children. Life felt perfect, almost too perfect, Sarah sometimes thought. One rainy evening, Ethan and Sarah were driving home from Noah's soccer game. The children were in the back seat, giggling about a joke Noah had told, while Ethan hummed along to the soft tunes playing on the radio. The truck came out of nowhere. Sarah didn't even see it until it was too late. The screech of tires, the deafening crash, and the world went black. When Sarah woke up in the hospital, her world shattered. Ethan had died on impact. Noah, despite the best efforts of the doctors, didn't survive the night. The pain was unbearable, a hollow ache that no words could describe. Sarah held Lily close as the child cried for her father and brother, her tiny voice asking questions that Sarah couldn't answer. Days turned into weeks, and Sarah found herself drowning in sorrow. The house, once filled with joy, now echoed with silence. Lily's laughter became rare, and Sarah struggled to find the strength to move forward. One evening, as she sat by the swing in the backyard, her fingers tracing its worn ropes, Sarah felt Ethan's absence more than ever. This swing had been his creation, a gift for the children, a symbol of the happiness they had shared. Tears streamed down her face as she whispered, "Why did you leave me, Ethan? How am I supposed to go on without you?" Lily, now 4 years old, toddled out into the yard and climbed onto the swing. "Mama," she said softly, her voice trembling, "Papa said the swing is magic. He said it makes the sad go away." Sarah's heart broke at her daughter's innocent words. She wiped her tears, walked over, and began to push Lily gently on the swing. The soft creak of the ropes and Lily's giggles brought a flicker of warmth to Sarah's heart. As the months passed, Sarah began to rebuild her life, one small step at a time. She found comfort in volunteering at a local grief support group, sharing her story and listening to others. Lily became her anchor, her reason to keep going, and together they learned to find joy in the little things again. One sunny afternoon, Sarah and Lily visited the park where it all began. The oak tree stood tall and unwavering, a reminder of the love and memories it held. Lily ran to the swings, her laughter echoing through the park. Sarah sat on the bench where Ethan had once sketched, holding his old notebook in her hands. Flipping through its pages, she found a sketch of their family, incomplete but full of love. "I miss you," she whispered to the wind. But I'll make sure Lily knows how much you loved her, how much you loved us." Though Ethan and Noah were gone, their love remained, woven into the fabric of Sarah and Lily's lives. The swing in their backyard became a place of comfort, a reminder of the happiness they had shared. And every time Sarah pushed Lily on the swing, she felt Ethan's presence, as if he were still there, holding her hand, guiding her through the darkness, and reminding her that love never truly dies. It lives on in the hearts of those who remember.